In this video, I'm going to show you the top 4 most profitable Amazon KDP category niches of 2022. And also at the end, I will let you know in which of them I had the most success until now. The good news is that they're all easy to create, and the best sellers in these niches are earning tens of thousands of dollars of passive income each month from just a handful of books. Number 4 in our list is one of the easiest ones that you can create in less than 1 hour. Logbooks and notebooks category has a variety of sub-niches. I think every one of us has started from this niche, and because of that, although it has lots of books with amazing sales, the main sub-niches are kind of saturated now. But still, if you narrow down your sub-niches to a smaller audience that is targeted by fewer sellers, you can find golden niches. For example, instead of just creating a generic notebook or a logbook, target it to a special time of the year on a specific audience that the competition is low. Otherwise, to be successful in this category, you would need an initial investment to spend on the ads, or you need to be unique enough to have a chance on the main niches for this category. Let's see one of the best sellers in this category. As you can see, this is a very simple book that consists of a cover, and inside of it is just a one page repeated multiple times. In previous videos, I showed you how you can make one of these books in less than 30 minutes with just free softwares. As I mentioned, this niche is good for beginners to see how you can submit a book and how to get ready for your serious books. Unless you have a great idea or you can spend money on the ads, I don't recommend spending your time on this niche. And as you can see, powerful non-paperback books make the competition even harder. If you want to start a more profitable niche, you should focus on the first 3 categories, since the gap between this category and the next ones is huge. Number 3 in our list is kinda similar to the previous category, but also very different. Kids' educational activity and practice workbooks are one of the best sellers every year around the school openings. There are plenty of sub-niches in this category that are not as easy as notebooks to create, but with a little bit of creativity, you can have books ready to sell in under a week. There are more than 74 million kids just in USA, and that shows this niche potential. Some authors are just focused on this niche. Just remember, in this niche, you need to make sure you don't have any typos or any grammar errors, since as soon as you get a basic bad review, your book won't have any chance to rank up. Parents are the main buyers in this niche, and they want to make sure what they are giving to their kids is good quality. So I recommend, if you want to create a book in this category, spend a good amount of time reviewing your book before releasing to make sure your book is free of simple issues. As you can see, there are sellers in this niche that are earning thousands of dollars each month just by 1 or 2 books. For example, let's take a look at this book. As you can see, this is a book in the trace letter niche. The cover is very simple but is crafted for kids. And the interior is very simple. Just repeated characters on each page with a simple icon that you can easily get from free sources or get high quality ones from Creative Fabrica. You can find the link in the description. This book alone has around 3,000 ratings, which shows the popularity of this book and category. In the next videos, I will go over each category in this video in a separate video dedicated to each category, and will give you important tips and tricks to create good quality books in these niches. So subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss future videos. The second place in our list has some of the best sub-niches in the Amazon low content. Although they are not easy to make and you would need to spend a good amount of time creating each of them, but as soon as you rank on any of them, a great number of sales will start. The second place goes to puzzle books. They're fun and target both adults and kids, but the main sellers on Amazon are puzzle books for adults. There are plenty of sub-niches in this category that you can create books and target different audiences to maximize your chance of success. For example, this book is one of the best sellers in the word search sub-niche of this category. This author has plenty of different books in puzzle sub-niches, and based on his book ranks, he makes lots of money from them. As you can see, the cover is not complex at all. Just a smart cover with a complete word search as the background, and when we visit the interior, there are just word search stacked on each page. If you're interested about how to create a word search book, I have a step-by-step video about it, which I will link down in the description. Like the previous category, you need to make sure you review your book a couple of times to avoid incorrect puzzles and simple mistakes that will drastically reduce your book's chance to rank because of bad reviews. In the first place, coloring books are one of the best and most profitable categories in the Amazon KDP world. There are almost unlimited ways you can create books in this niche, and based on your creativity, you can rank one of the sub-niches of this category. Most of the books in this niche have a theme, and some of them come with motivational quotes, and they target both kids and adults. Let's check one of the best sellers in this niche. This small book that targets girls has just 24 pages, and as you can see, with more than 30,000 reviews, shows how popular this book is and this niche is. As you can see, the cover is a lot more complex than the other niches that we reviewed, and since it's a coloring book, cover plays an important role in convincing people to buy this book. The book interior is also creative and complex, with some motivational quotes that increase the book target audience. To create one of these books, if you're not an artist, you either should use premium shapes and objects from resources like Creative Fabrica, or you need to hire someone to create the graphics for you to increase your chance of success. And as I promised at the beginning, my bestseller book are from puzzle category. Although they are a bit harder to create, but using online tools and some creativity, you can create books that have a chance of success. Let me know in comments section which category is your favorite one. At the end, thanks to channel supporters, and if you also want to support the channel, you can find the link to my Patreon down in the description or click on the join button under this video. Thanks for watching!